In the heart of a small village, nestled among rolling hills and lush forests, there lay a tradition as old as time itself, the annual lottery. It was a day both feared and revered, a day when the entire community gathered in the town square, hearts heavy with anticipation and trepidation. For generations, the lottery had been a solemn affair, shrouded in mystery and superstition. Each year, the villagers would gather to draw slips of paper from a weathered wooden box, each slip bearing a name. And each year, one name would be chosen, destined for a fate unknown to all but the select few. Among the villagers stood Sarah, a young woman whose eyes shimmered with a mixture of fear and defiance. She had grown up hearing the whispered tales of the lottery's origins, tales of sacrifice and ancient rites. Yet, despite the warnings, she could not shake the feeling that there was more to the ritual than met the eye. As the sun climbed higher in the sky, the townsfolk assembled in the square, their faces drawn and pale. The village elder, his voice trembling with age, stepped forward to oversee the proceedings. With a solemn nod, he motioned for the drawing to begin. One by one, the villagers approached the box, their hands trembling as they reached inside. Sarah watched as her neighbors drew their fates, her heart pounding in her chest. And then, it was her turn. With a deep breath, Sarah closed her eyes and reached into the box, her fingers brushing against the smooth surface of the paper. She withdrew the slip and unfolded it slowly, her heart skipping a beat as she read the name written upon it. Time seemed to stand still as the realization washed over her. She had been chosen. A hush fell over the crowd as Sarah stepped forward, her gaze steady despite the fear that threatened to consume her. In that moment, she knew what she must do. With determination in her heart, Sarah spoke out against the tradition that had plagued her village for so long. She pleaded for understanding, for compassion, for an end to the cycle of fear and sacrifice. To her surprise, her words found resonance among her fellow villagers. Slowly, hesitantly, they began to question the lottery, to challenge the beliefs that had bound them for generations. And so, on that fateful day, the lottery was abolished, replaced by a newfound sense of unity and hope. And though the shadows of the past still lingered, the villagers looked to the future with courage and determination, knowing that together, they could overcome any obstacle that lay in their path.